Hi, this is 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Today we're showcasing the JLab Audio Talk Pro. This is a USB microphone that has 192 kilohertz and 24-bit sound. That's the recording sampling rate. This is professional grade from JLab Audio. It goes with Windows and macOS computers. Has 4 directional pattern modes, and we'll show that to you right here. You can select it with this button right here. This is the quick mute button. So they have 3 different types of microphones. This is the highest end they have. They also have a customizable light at the bottom. We'll show you that also in just a moment. So here are your different pattern modes: Cardoid, Omni, stereo, and bidirectional. And you can go ahead and pause that anytime and take a look. We'll show that to you now. Here's the blue light that tells you what mode that it's on. There we go. And this is again the quick mute button. And if you look here at the bottom, there's an LED light that you can change with the press of a simple button. It also has an auxiliary input right here as well on the bottom. So there's a couple different colors, whatever you'd like. I like that one, that's nice. And it comes with this stand, so you can have it set up in your studio just like that, or you can obviously use whatever stand that fits that mount on the bottom. It comes with this nice long braided cable cord as well, with the coverings right there. And some more details about this. Some final details about the Talk Pro right there. And more of the details will be in the description below the video. But we like that it's ready to set up and go for your Windows or Mac computer. And then you can get podcasting, talk about whatever you want. This is Chris, 24K on Instagram and on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.